Grammar warm up number 8. Let's read the sentence. Can you and Tony come at my house at 4 o'clock on Monday? Number 1, what type of sentence is this? Is it a statement? Is it a command? Where the command, um, you are telling someone what to do. So it usually starts off with a verb like pick up that mess, okay, where the subject, the implied subject is you. Um, or is it a question? Are you asking something? Or is it an exclamation where you're showing emotion? Can you and Tony come at my house at 4 o'clock on Monday? Well, they're asking, right? They're asking them a question. So circle question. Number 2, underline the compound subject of the sentence. Well, it's still a subject, so it's who or what is the sentence about. But now it says compound. So that means there are two subjects, but they work together as one. So it's usually put together with a conjunction, and usually the conjunction is and, but it could be put together with others. So let's look at this. Can you and Tony come at my house at 4 o'clock on Monday? Well, who or what is this sentence about? It's about you and Tony. And notice that it's not just you, it's Tony also, and they are put together with a conjunction, and the conjunction is and. So we are going to underline you and Tony. All right, number 3, highlight the words that should be capitalized. Okay, remember I'm using yellow for my highlighter. And also it says that should be capitalized. So it's not saying a proper noun. So this, you need to capitalize any of the words that should be capitalized. Or I should say highlight any of the words. So that means that can needs to, because that's the first word of the sentence. Tony is a proper noun, so we need to highlight Tony. And what other ones? Well, Monday. Monday is a proper noun, so we need to highlight Monday. And that is it. So we have can, Tony, and Monday. All of those need to be highlighted. Make sure you are correcting yours as we go. All right, let's write our sentence. Okay, how should we start our sentence off? Well, let's start it off with a capital. So capital C-A-N, can. Now read until there is another correction to be made. Well, you and. Okay, so I stop there. That means I need to correct my next word. And it's a proper noun, so we need to capitalize it. Now read again until there is another word to be corrected. Come. Why did I stop there? What needs to be corrected? Well, these little words like at and in and to and all those little words like that, those are called prepositions. And many times we use the wrong preposition when we're writing sentences. We are not saying, we're not saying come at my house. What are you asking? You don't come at a house, you come to a house. So it's can you and Tony come to? Okay. Now read again until there is a correction to be made. My house at. Okay, so can you and Tony come to my house at? Now at is okay because we're giving a time frame, and at signifies that it's the time. To signifies where. So that's why you need to. All right. It says 400. Well, when I've been reading it, I have been saying 4 o'clock. It's not, you don't call it 400. But how do you write 4 o'clock? Well, it's 4 and then a colon. This is called a colon, the two dots, one above each other. That's called a colon, and then 00. That is 4 o'clock. If I read again until there's a correction, I would say on, because my next word I need corrected. Yep, I need to capitalize it because Monday is a proper noun. Am I done? No, I am not. How do I end this sentence? Remember when we answered the question in the beginning, number one, and we said, what type of sentence is this? We said it was a question. So, how should you end this? What is the correct punctuation? Well, hopefully, everyone put a question mark. If you did not, please correct yours. So, it's can you and Tony come to my house at 4 o'clock on Monday? Question mark. Look over mine and make sure yours looks like mine. All right. Number 5, circle the words that could begin a question. So these are question words. Which one of these could you begin a question with? Now, remember, do not begin a statement with these. A lot of you like to begin your statements with question words. We don't want to begin statements with question words. We begin questions with question words. Well, let's go through them. Them, is that a question word? No, that's a pronoun. That's not a question. Why? Oh, yeah, why is definitely a question word. So we're going to circle it. How? Yep, that's a question word. And you? Nope, that is not. That's another pronoun. All right, so look over this, make sure this is corrected. This is your last one on the page, so you will turn these in the next day you come to school.